All right. How's everybody doing out there? It's another beautiful day in Kentucky. I have no complaints. It's been really some nice weather going on here. If you're looking to buy in Kentucky, Loretto, Kentucky is the place to be. This house at 8675 Kentucky Highway 52 is the dream home. It has it all. It is super clean. It is move-in ready as far as country homes. It is a Sears and Roebuck. It's really kind of a historic place. Sears and Roebuck kit home from the 1920s that is in excellent structural condition. It is gorgeous and in wonderful condition on the inside, super clean, and this is the home to see. It is priced very well as well, and it also is a part of a package deal. If you wanted to buy this property and the smaller home next door, you could get it discounted and really clean house, literally clean house. And so call for the details on that. But I do want to bring up the main pick on this property. Absolutely attractive inside and out, 6.5 acres. Um, it is, let's bring up the MLS report and we'll go over some of these numbers. You can see the room measurements there. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has a living room, a like a family room or a library or a office space is what I would use it for. Then you've got a formal dining room. The list goes on, and we'll cover it in the main video, but 2,850 square feet above ground, 1,400 feet below ground that is finished, giving you a total of 4,250 square feet. And the possibilities for this property are limitless. And when we do the walkthrough, you're going to see everything that's going on here. Let me bring up real quick. There's the front of this place. I want to bring up something that shows you an overview of what's going on with this property. Here we go. So this driveway comes in and it goes around the house, takes you to the side patio. You can get to the front. You can get to the back. You get to the workshop back here, which is really a nice addition to have. A small business could work out of here, and that work shed back there is spacious. It has power, and it's pretty cool. Over here, you have the 2-car garage with a little path that brings you up to the house. And so this land is laid out to work for almost anybody, but a small business could do well here. If you purchase the place next door, that could be an Airbnb or family member. You could save a considerable amount of money if you were to buy both properties together. But it depends on your needs, right? And so what I would like to do is go through the Double Advantage sales introduction, and then we'll get right into the walkthrough video. Whether you're buying or selling, the Double Advantage team has you covered. Philip Staten and Anita Perez have been putting our clients' interest first for over 8 years, with combined experience spanning over 30 years. Our optimized approach to marketing and our 30-day satisfaction guarantee are designed to help you reach your goals fast, and more money at the closing table doesn't hurt either. Give the Double Advantage team a call today. All right. So we got a little drone fly over here to give you a good look at what is going on around this property. And again, it is just gorgeous all around. There is no junk in sight. It's all just rolling hills and beautiful views. Farmhouse is off in the distance, very quiet and tranquil. Right here we have the entry. It's got a tray ceiling with wood accents up there. The entry is top notch. Everything is in excellent condition, and that is a beautiful entry. Right here we have the living room, and you've got a tray ceiling, a ceiling fan, semi-open going into the dining area. You've got the sunroom over there, a gas and wood-burning fireplace, I believe. Call me to confirm. And right over here, we have this sunroom with views all around, a ceiling fan in here, tile flooring, and 2 doors that go into the living room. Look at this space. Really a place to get inspired, work on projects, have your office, you name it. Use your imagination. Now we'll step right over here to the space on this side, which works perfectly as a sitting area, an office, ceiling fan in here, beautiful views, access to the patio going out the side there. And this place is multi-purpose. You really could almost use it as a guest bedroom. It doesn't have a closet, but it does have a full bathroom and excellent views out front and out the side. Somebody wanted to step outside and sit on the patio. It's a very nice, private, quiet space. A window in here, full shower. This is a full bath. And hardwood floors throughout this main level. Right here, you have a sitting area with a ceiling fan and a view. Right next to the kitchen, there you have the mudroom coming in from the back. And look at this kitchen. Ample counter space, ample cabinet space, ceiling fan, coffin top tray ceiling, huge pantry over there, little coffee nook. And then again, there's no window you can look out that you don't see an amazing view of just private views of your property, maybe some farmhouse in the distance. Stainless steel appliances in here. There's the basement door, and across the way you have the formal dining room. Again, 3 windows in here, chandelier, those gorgeous hardwood floors, French doors opening up to the living room. And it's just so private. This is the place to have your family and friends over, and just a discreet place to entertain family and friends without having the neighbors right there. Let's head upstairs and see what the bedrooms look like up here. Nice small landing here at the top of the stairs. Up here, the views are even better because you're looking down. You can see even further. Ceiling fan in the hallway. Gorgeous original railing and hardwood floors up here. This I would call the primary bedroom. Now they're like identical. 2 are a little larger than the others, but you have 2 windows in here, walk-in closet right there. Ceiling fan, like I said, love having ceiling fans. They're always a positive thing to have. Breathtaking views and nice little sitting area there. And these are original, I believe, the hardwood floors. And as you can see on this door, crystal doorknobs throughout this home that are original and stunning. Now here's the bathroom that serves, it accommodates all the bedrooms upstairs, but it's right next to what I'm calling the primary bedroom. Just imagine getting ready in the morning, maybe watching the sunset over there while you brush your teeth and you're getting ready to head down and have yourself a cup of coffee. A nice towel closet in here and original basin. That sink is vintage and gorgeous. You gotta love it. And both of the bathrooms in here have that. Over here is bedroom number 2. Ceiling fan, hardwood floors, walk-in closet, nice little nook space, and 2 windows to give you these amazing views outside. Very nice. Over here, bedroom 3. And I could go over the details, but they're nearly identical, if not completely identical to the other bedrooms. Ceiling fan, 2 windows with amazing views, a little nook space, and a walk-in closet. And last but not least, bedroom number 4. And this one's a little larger, nice sitting space over here with a window, ceiling fan, walk-in closet, and probably one of the best views from this house, looking out over the back of the property. Now, let's get down to that basement. It is mostly finished, I would say, but it's unique and exceptionally nice. The homeowner has built a wall here, put in a window that they purchased from a yard sale, I believe, and it is incorporated into that wall very nicely. Right there, you have a door that steps outside. It's a step-up basement, not a walkout, but a step-up. I would actually call this a walkout because of the door on the other end of the house steps outside, and it's kind of a ramp. But look at this space. Nice little sitting area here with the wood-burning stove. Over here, perfect for entertaining family and friends in the summertime. Cooler down here. Look at all this wood. It just has a great vibe. 3 windows in that space, so there's a lot of light on that end. and more kind of shadowed on the other end, perfect for media area, gaming area, theater area. Very, very nice. Now let's step over here. You've got this huge space in the middle, laundry room with a sink, a bench that may or may not go with the property. Lots of storage. There's a window there with a view and brings in some natural light. And then over here on the other end, I would say this is a gym area or exercise area. Perfect for something like that, a project area. Now here's the door that steps out, and there's a ramp out there and it walks straight up. They have this set up as a bedroom, but it could be used as anything, storage for a motorcycle, or I don't know that I'd put my lawn equipment in here, but those toys that you want to keep out of the weather, this is where you'd want to put them. This home is solid, it's clean, everything is kept up and taken care of. It is not some rundown old farmhouse. It is amazing. You'll want to get on the schedule here. And so that was the walkthrough. What did you all think of that? Every time I see this place, I fall in love. It's the property to see. Sears and Roebuck. There's a few of these around the country. It really is a historical memorabilia, I guess. It is like a vintage historical home in Loretto with the perfect piece of land, a package deal opportunity, priced really to sell. And if you're looking for a place out in the country, there are not going to be any properties, I believe, that compete with this property. 8675 Kentucky 52 in Loretto, Kentucky. And so we'll leave it at that. I would ask that you subscribe to this channel. We upload walkthrough videos. I call them property review videos often. And you never know when you'll see a home that you want or a family member or loved one is looking to buy, and you can turn them on to something exceptional, give them the video that really gives them almost like a visit to the property. And so subscribe, call us if you have any questions, 502-724-4484. We love answering questions. You're never a bother. And that's why we have that 5-star Google review rating. You all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.